Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to use this battery charger to be able to charge in a 21700 battery instead of this 18650 battery. This 18650 battery doesn't have any problem. You can fit it in here to charge it just like that. Then just plug it. Well, this 21700 is not going to fit in because there is a plastic that's blocking the way. This side plastic. I want to charge these both lithium-ion batteries using this single charger. So the thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this part. Okay. By the way, you should not use this charger in charging your Life PO4 batteries because this will overcharge your battery. This one is designed to maximize the capacity of lithium-ion, which will end up at 4.2 volts when fully charged. Okay, I have removed it. Now I can use this to charge this 21700 battery. Let's try this 21700 18650. There, it's charging. It turns green when it's fully charged. There, it's also charging. So that's how you modify this 18650 battery charger and able to adapt and be able to use it on a 21700 battery. So that's it. I hope you like the idea and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.